After completing half range Fourier series, in this unit we are going to discuss complex form of Fourier series. Complex form means in complex analysis I term is there. Here also I is there, that's why we call complex form of Fourier series. We know that Fourier series in the interval in general a comma a plus 2l is given by f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n from 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by l plus summation n from 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by l using cos theta e power I theta plus e power minus I theta divided by 2 and sin theta is equal to e power I theta minus e power minus I theta divided by 2i substituting in equation number 1. Here cos term sin term is there, we use cos theta and sin theta to here. We have the proof, we don't want, you just write the Fourier complex form of Fourier series. F of x is equal to c naught plus summation constant term a naught by 2, we denote here c suffix 0, c for complex form, n from 1 to infinity, c suffix n into e power I n pi x by l plus summation n from 1 to infinity c suffix minus n e power minus I n pi x by l. We have here 3 or 4 steps are there, we don't want, where c naught is a naught by 2, c suffix n is a suffix n minus I into b suffix n by 2, c suffix minus n is equal to an plus ibn by 2. So f of x summation n from, see here positive, here negative, that is why the complex form of Fourier series f of x is minus infinity to plus infinity, negative to positive, c suffix n into e power I n pi x by l. So you just remember this complex form of Fourier series of f of x. Here we want in f of x c suffix n is there, we want c suffix n, that is in the form of 1 by 2l integral a to a plus 2l f of x into e power minus I n pi x by l into dx. In f of x e power plus is there, in c suffix n e power minus is there. By using general complex form of Fourier series, in this method we also construct f of x in minus pi comma plus pi, and we case 2 0 comma 2 pi and minus L comma plus L 0 comma 2L. So that means what, in complex form of Fourier series of f of x, we have four set of formulas with respect to an interval minus pi comma plus pi and 0 comma 2 pi and minus L comma plus L and 0 comma 2L. By using this general formula for complex form of f of x and c suffix n, we write f of x in minus pi comma plus pi. See, every problem they mention the respective interval. Summation n from minus infinity to plus infinity, cn into e power in x, because of minus pi to pi in x. Here c suffix n is, you compare this 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to plus pi f of x into e power minus in x into dx. You see the difference, here plus I, here minus is there. You remember these two formulas for minus pi comma plus pi. And f of x in 0 comma 2 pi is same as minus pi comma plus pi, c suffix n into e power in x, and c suffix n is 1 by 2 pi integral 0 to 2 pi c f of x into e power minus in x into dx. Case 3, f of x in minus L comma plus L, that means arbitrary interval, f of x is equal to summation n from minus infinity to plus infinity, c suffix n into e power in pi x by L, because minus L comma plus L. We want cn is 1 by 2L integral minus L to plus L f of x into e power minus in pi x by L into dx. Case 4, for 0 comma 2L, same formula, only limits are changed. F of x is minus infinity to plus infinity e power in pi x by L, where cn is 1 by 2L 0 to 2L f of x into e power minus in pi x by L into dx. You remember these four set of formulas from this method, I recall. Today we are discussing what? Complex form of Fourier series. Complex form means I term is there. See, every formula I term is there. That is why we call complex. You know, the value of I is root minus 1. In this method, every problem they mention obtain complex form of Fourier series with respect to this four set of intervals like minus pi to plus pi, 0 comma 2 pi, minus L comma plus L, 0 comma 2L. Remember these formulas. Using this formula, now we are going to discuss in the problems. Obtain the complex form of Fourier series of f of x is equal to e power x in minus pi less than x less than pi. Solution: we have f of x is equal to summation minus infinity to plus infinity cn e power inx, where cn is 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to plus pi f of x into e power minus inx, that is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to plus pi f of x is e power x into e power minus inx into dx. See, here two terms are there but base is same. You write one more step for convenient integration. E power 1 minus in of x, shall I write like this? From these two terms 1 minus, you take x common, into dx. 1 by 2 pi, we can easily evaluating this integral function. You know, integral of e power of this is e power of 1 minus in of x divided by 1 minus in minus pi to plus pi, that is equal to 1 by 2 pi times into 1 minus in common constant. You apply pi and minus pi for x, e power 1 minus in of pi, in between minus, e power minus 1 minus in of x. See, in complex form you should avoid I term in denominator, otherwise you can carry, no problem. For convenient to avoid I term in denominator because of complex form, that means what? Rationalizing the denominator. You know, rationalizing 1 minus in is 1 plus in, that 1 plus in term can multiply both numerator and denominator, that is 1 plus in divided by 2 pi into 1 plus in, 1 minus in is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, because of I 1 plus n square, right? Into, you write one more step from this for avoiding the confusion, e power pi, e power minus in pi, shall I write like this? E power minus pi e power minus into minus plus in pi, that is equal to 1 plus in 2 pi into 1 plus n square into e power pi. You know, e power minus n theta, you recall the formula e power I theta in terms of sin and cos, that is because of minus cos theta minus I sin theta. Here e power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. E power minus I theta is cos theta minus I sin theta. We use this. Here e power minus in pi is there, cos n pi minus I sin n pi minus e power minus pi common. Here e power cos n pi plus I sin n pi. Here sin n pi 0, here also sin n pi 0, that is equal to 1 plus in divided by 2 pi into 1 plus n square into e power pi minus e power minus pi into common cos n pi, that is equal to 1 plus in divided by 2 pi into 1 plus n square. You know, this is in the form of e power theta minus e power minus theta is you recall hyperbolic, 2 times sine because of minus sine hyperbolic pi, because sine hyperbolic pi is equal to e power pi minus pi divided by 2. That is why we write this term is in the form 2 sine hyperbolic pi. You know, cos n pi is minus 1 power n. So this is the required Cn. So after finding Cn, you construct f of x in complex form minus infinity to plus infinity. You copy to paste here. Cn is 1 plus in divided by 2 pi into 1 plus n square into 2 times sine hyperbolic pi into minus 1 power n into e power I n x. This is the required complex form of Fourier series. Second problem. Find complex form of Fourier series of f of x is equal to x in minus pi less than x less than plus pi. Solution. We have f of x in complex form. See, every problem they mention complex. F of x. See, this method is totally different compared to other methods from this unit. Summation n from 1 to infinity minus infinity to plus infinity. C suffix n e power inx because pi, where C suffix n formula is 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to plus pi f of x into e power minus inx into dx. Here f of x is x e power minus inx into dx. See, here integral involve two terms. First term is x, second term is e power minus inx. So for evaluating this integral, you apply Bernoulli's rule of integration by parts. You recall the rule 1 by 2 pi. You write first function, integral of second function divided by minus in minus derivative of x is 1, integral of this term is e power minus inx divided by minus in whole square 2 times. Next term will be 0, derivative of 1 is 0, minus pi to plus pi. Cn 1 by 2 pi outside common minus 1 by in inside common, x e power minus inx, for convenient you write this step, minus e power minus inx I minus into minus plus, I square is minus 1, minus into plus minus n square, minus pi to plus pi, minus pi to plus pi. See the next step. Cn 1 by 2 pi times common, minus 1 by in inside common, apply pi e power minus in pi, minus pi e power minus into minus plus in pi, minus into minus plus, here minus plus, one by n square inside common, e power minus in pi minus plus in pi. C suffix n is equal to 1 by 2 pi common, minus 1 by in pi e power minus in pi minus plus pi e power in pi plus 1 by n square common. Here this is in the form of e power theta, that is sine term. Okay, I will write one more step. Sine term, sine n pi is like this term related to sine pi, sine n pi. Sine n pi is 0, that is why this term is 0. Cn is equal to 1 by 2 pi minus, not this, sorry, this term is 0 because this term belongs to sine term, so sine n pi is 0, not this term, sorry. Minus 1 by in pi into, e power minus in pi is cos n pi minus I sin n pi plus pi common. Here e power in pi is cos n pi plus I sin n pi, Cn is equal to minus, here pi common, by 2in pi common, sin n pi is 0, it leaves 2 times cos n pi, pi cancel, 2 cancel, minus 1 power n is the required Cn. You write one more step, here minus 1 n plus 1 by in. You should avoid I term in denominator, otherwise you can leave, no problem. F of x is minus infinity to plus infinity, minus 1 power n plus 1 by in into e power in x is the required complex form of Fourier series. Next problem. Obtain the complex form of f of x, form of Fourier series of f of x, minus k in minus pi less than x less than 0, k 0 less than x less than pi. We also discussing like this type of problems. Solution. We have f of x minus infinity to plus infinity c suffix n e power in x, where c suffix n 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to plus pi. See, this is minus pi to plus pi, f of x into e power minus inx dx. But here minus pi to plus pi can split into these two interval. Cn is equal to 1 by 2 pi outside common, minus pi to 0, f of x is minus k into e power minus inx into dx plus 0 to pi k into e power minus inx into dx. Here we have two integral functions, Cn, that is k constant from this term, integral of e power minus inx divided by minus in minus pi to 0 k by 2 pi, k divided by 2 pi. We can separating these two terms, e power minus inx divided by minus in 0 to pi. Cn equal to minus k by 2 pi into minus in common, apply 0, e power 0 is 1, e power apply pi, minus minus plus, e power in pi. Here minus is there, minus k by 2 pi in, e power apply pi, in pi minus e power 0 is 1. Cn minus minus plus, k by 2 pi in common, 1 minus e power in pi minus k by 2 pi in e power minus in pi minus 1, that is equal to, here these two terms are common, k by 2 pi in common, here 1 minus into minus plus 1, 1 plus 1 2, next here 2, next term minus e power minus in pi minus e power minus in pi. Cn k by 2 pi in common, 2 common, e power in pi plus e power minus in pi. Shall I write like this? That is k by 2 pi in common, 2 minus, see this is in the form of e power theta plus e power minus theta is 2 cos n pi. Cn equal to 2 common, 2 cancel, pi in, 1 minus, cos n pi is minus 1 power n. So this is the required Cn. Therefore f of x is minus infinity to plus infinity, k by pi in, 1 minus of minus 1 power n into e power in x. This is the required complex form of Fourier series. Next, obtain complex form of Fourier series of f of x is equal to e power minus x in minus L comma plus L minus L comma plus L. So we already discussed f of x is equal to e power x. Solution: we have f of x minus infinity to plus infinity e power in pi x by L, where Cn is 1 by 2L integral minus L to plus L, or you write, okay, f of x e power minus in pi x by L into dx 1 by 2L minus L to plus L e power minus x e power minus in pi x by L into dx. For convenient, you interchange. L takes the value 1. Convenient. You write this. So Cn 1 by 2 into 1 2 minus 1 to 1 e power minus x into e power minus in pi x by 1 into dx. You write one more step for convenient integration. Here in power minus common, in pi plus of x into dx, that is equal to one by 2 integral of this divided by 1 plus in pi minus 1 to plus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1 plus in pi common, apply 1 between minus into minus plus in pi minus, here you see minus is there. Shall I write 1 by 2 times 1 plus in pi? First write this term e power 1 plus in pi minus e power minus 1 plus in pi. Why I am writing like this? Because this term is related to sine term, that is why 1 plus in pi common, e power 1 minus e power minus 1, e power 1 common. After expanding e power in pi, e power minus in pi, sin n pi cancel, it leaves only cos 2 times of cos n pi. You write one more step, e minus 1 by e common, cos n pi is minus 1 power n by 2 into 1 plus in pi is the required Cn. Construct f of x. Minus infinity to plus infinity, e minus 1 by e minus 1 power n to 1 plus I n pi into e power I n pi x is the required complex form of Fourier series.